Good morning. My name is Gloria Fuentes. I will be teaching you Microsoft Office 365, the beginner's word class. This will be lesson 1, and we will go over creating and saving a folder to your desktop, open and save a document to the folder on your desktop. We'll go over the interface of the Word document. We will create a header and footer. We will use the split window option, and we'll type in a Word document. So those are all the things that you should be able to accomplish today once you finish this lesson. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder on our desktop. So you're going to right click anywhere on your desktop, slide your cursor down to New, and then over and click on Folder. Because it's already blue highlighted where it says New Folder, you don't have to click in it or anything to start typing. And we're going to name this folder Word 1 so you can keep all your documents in there. And then when you're done, just hit Enter. Now we're going to open up our Word icon. Mine is down here on my taskbar. So I'm going to click on Word, blank document, and then you see up here where it says Document 1-Word. So we know it hasn't been saved yet because once it's saved, it'll say Saved up here. So you're going to click File, Save As. I'm on Office 365. You might be on a different version, so you'll get to your desktop a different way. So for me, I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to scroll up here to the desktop. And then here's the Word 1 folder that we created. So I'm going to double click it to open it. And then the file name is where we name our lesson. So we're going to name this Lesson 1. Lesson 1. And then just click Save. And notice at the top of my screen it says Lesson 1 Save Now. So now we know it's saved. This over here is the Quick Access toolbar. If you click the down arrow, you can see different options that you may want to add to it. Things that you use frequently you might want to add, like the quick print. And then if you don't want to add it, just right click it and click Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. If the Quick Access Toolbar bothers you on front like that, click the drop down arrow and click Show Below the ribbon. I like mine on top because I'm used to it. After all these years, I'd forget where it was if I didn't put it back up. So I'm going to put it right back up there. Okay, let's go over the interface of this document. This is the ruler bar, your horizontal ruler bar on the top and your vertical on the left side. This is your scroll bar up here. You can scroll up or down in your document. Down here, this is called the zoom slider. If you have bad eyesight like me, you might want to enlarge your document or not. This is the taskbar down here. And this little guy over here is your tab selector button. If you see, if you put your cursor on any character up here, it will give you a screen tip of what everything is. It's like this is the text effects. But this one is the tab stop, and by default it's always on the left tab. If you want to change your tab stop, you just click on it. That's a center tab. That's a right tab. That's a decimal tab. That's a bar tab. And then back to our left tab stop. These words up here are called tabs. And each tab has a different ribbon. You click on the Insert tab, you get a whole nother ribbon. Also, some items that you might add, you'll get a new tab with new ribbons also. Let me show you what I mean by putting a table in here. I'm going to add a 3x3 table. And you see when I added that table, we got two more tabs with two more ribbons, the table design tab and the layout design tab. And then my favorite button up here on the quick access toolbar is the undo button. So we're going to click undo to get rid of the table. And once you get rid of the table, your table tabs are gone as well. Right here where it says clipboard and font, if I tell you to go to the home tab in the font area, that's what I mean. The paragraph area, the styles area, editing, the dictate button, which is really cool. If you click on one of these little boxes that are called the dialog box launcher, you'll get another window with more options, more tabs, more different formatting that you can use on your document. And then just X out of that to close it. This right here is a non-print character. This is especially useful for advanced layout tricks. I like to make sure I have it on. When you have it on, it looks like that. If you press Enter on your keyboard, you'll keep getting paragraph tabs. Non-printing paragraph marks. If you hit your space bar, you get these little dots that are also non-printing characters. If you hit your tab key on your keyboard, you get the little tab mark, which is also a non-printing character. And if you don't want that stuff, just do your backspace key and go up. Now we're going to create a header and footer. To create a header or footer, hold your cursor up at the top of your screen in the middle of your document and double click. And it opens up the header as well as the footer. So for this header, let's type our name in there. And then in the navigation area, you're going to click the Go to Footer button. And let's type the date. Today is February 11th. So capital F-E-B-R. After you type the first 4 letters of your month, you get a little screen tip right here that says press enter. And then it finished typing your month. And then we're going to hit the space bar to put in the date, the day. And we get another press enter to insert. It helps with your speed when you're a touch typist and you want to keep on going. And then to close the header and footer, just double click anywhere in the middle of your document and it closes it. Click on your View tab above your ribbon right here. And in the Windows area, we're going to click the Split button. First, let's write some stuff in here. This is the beginner's word class. Lesson 1. I'll put my email address in case you have any questions. Or you want to send me copies of your completed work. That's my email. And I don't like all these spaces up here, so I'm going to get rid of the spaces by highlighting it all. I'm going to click on my home tab because I need the styles, the no space style up here. Okay, back to our split window. This split window is not 2 documents, it's the same document. If you scroll up, you'll notice it. What this comes in handy for is, say you're at work and you're on a 5-page report, really long, and you're down here and you're getting ready to say something and you're not sure if you've already spoken about that. So leave your spot right here, and then up here you can scroll up or down and find out if you've already written that or not. And you say, oh, I haven't, so now you can add it in. And then to remove the split, we just click back on the View tab And in the Windows area, we click Remove Split. And that's it for today's lesson. Have a great day.